We're sorry. All of our representatives are still assisting other customers. Please remain on the line as we value your call.
Got it. Yes. All right. Been wanting to open this one up for quite a while now. Not sure how to pronounce it. Guliffen. This was supposed to be for the letter G, but I already opened up another lock with the letter G, but I could still use this if I need it. Anyway, that's just another brass padlock open. 5-pinner, key bitting, not too radical. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.